Hello and welcome to another episode. So I'll create the tire rim easily without doing much effort. So I will be using the add-on, the mesh extra. Make sure you have it enabled. Go to edit, preferences, and within the add-on section, just type in extra. And this is the one. I have enabled it. Just click the check mark and it should be good. Once you're done, it should be available when you press Shift A and then go to mesh, and then here you have these extra mesh objects. So let me enable the grid. I'll click on this, show overlays. Okay, so now press Shift A, mesh, and then I'll go to gears and I'll click on gear. Okay, this is the default one that we get. So the settings that I will adjust is pretty simple. The first thing is I will rotate this. So I'll use this feature over here. Yeah, this is rotating. So I'll click and I will type in 90. This is good. And now I'll play with the settings over here. This is the one, the dedendum something. So I'll just click and drag. As you can see, I will go in the negative. So as you can see, okay. And for this one, the central part, I will adjust the addendum, click and drag. And there you go. And I can adjust the width of it. Go to the top view, the wireframe, this width. I would like to reduce it. So just play with the width. Yeah, this is good. And then I can just move it out, press G, and then just bring it over here, just somewhere here. Okay, and then I will add a bevel modifier to it. I'll click on this. I'll go to modifiers, add modifiers, and then I'll click on bevel. Okay, this is way too much. Reduce it to maybe a 1.5. Yeah, this is good. Turn on viewport shading. This one can have own material, new material. Then I'll just give a little bit of grayish. Turn on metallic. And I'll reduce the roughness. And let's take a look in the shading view. I'll expand this. And I will make this whiter. Okay, so this is looking much, much better. So there you go. This is how quickly and easily we can create a tire rim with the help of the extra mesh add-on that comes with Blender. So I hope it was useful. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.